And we can see that. There it is. We're seeing it just between Bernadette, areas down to the south, and basically just south of Bernadette. I'll go ahead and zoom in. And this is the area that we are watching right here. I'm going to go ahead and get on the wall here real quick and show you guys where this is. Again, we're looking at right here, Bernadette. You're off to the north of it. Meanwhile, down to the south, so it's north of Interstate 136. Again, we've had several reports of this thing on the ground doing damage, snapping some power poles. And if that's the case, that's something to keep in mind. But here's some roads we're looking at. We're looking at East Highway, or County Highway 14 there between Bernadette and Lewiston. So East County Highway 14 there, it's basically following right along. This storm is paralleling Interstate Highway 136, and it's moving right towards the Lewiston area. So folks in Lewiston right now, you need to make sure you're taking your precautions. So here's the rotation. I'm going to point out some of the areas that we're really watching here. It's going to be the Lewiston area, State Farm 100, down towards the East Avenue there, Duncan Mills. You're also going to see possibly this rotation. Here's the newest update of it. It's continuing, again, basically following just off to the Bernadette area. It's continuing to move off. So folks in Lewiston, you want to make sure you are getting to safety right now. Very dangerous storm. It does have a history of producing a tornado. We've had several reports of this storm producing a rotating wall cloud. And what that means is that's basically what we get right before we get a tornado. We get a rotating wall cloud. Then we start to get the then we start to get the funnel cloud, and then we get the tornado from that funnel cloud. But here's what we have going on right now. Here it says no visibility around Marietta, Table Grove, Iphava area, complete blackout as well. So this is something to keep in mind. Like we've been saying, this storm, it has a lot of rain with it. We're seeing a very damp atmosphere. Dew points right now are in the 60s, upper 60s even in some areas. So that is going to make it feel a lot muggier, and means that this storm is producing a lot of rain. And what that means for this tornado is that it is probably rain wrapped for us. So you got to watch out for that. Again, tornado warning in effect for this area here.